Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check your Facebook email address. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application. Then you simply need to click on your profile on the top right. Here you need to scroll and click on settings and privacy. Then you simply need to click on settings. Here you need to click on see more in account center. So it will take few seconds to load this screen, and here you can see your personal details. Click on that option, and here you can see the email address that is associated with your Facebook account. So this is the process by which you can check your Facebook email address. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.